How to check someone's likes on Instagram? In this tutorial, I'll show you the ways you can see when your friends have liked posts or reels. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Keep in mind that Instagram no longer provides a feature that lets you see a complete list of everything your friends have liked. However, you can still see some likes when Instagram shows them to you. Then, go to your profile icon. For example, open a post or reel that you want to check. If one of your friends has liked it, Instagram may show their name near the likes or display their activity on the post. You can also open the Reels section and look for the Friends tab if it's available on your account. Here, Instagram may show reels that your friends have liked, reposted, or interacted with. You may also receive notifications when someone likes content that you posted or reposted. Keep in mind that you can't use Instagram's regular features to see every post or reel that a specific person has liked. The available options can also vary depending on your account, region, and Instagram app version. And that's it. These are the main ways to check your friends' likes and activity on Instagram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Instagram tips and tutorials.